What's up, you guys? This is D with the IncomePub.com coming at you with another video. In this video today, I'm going to be doing a comprehensive review on Content Samurai. Content Samurai is a video creator tool that's online based. So let's jump right into it. First, I want to dive into the reason why I'm doing this review. And that reason is only because I use the software itself. And I've been using it for about the last 2 weeks or so now, and I've been amazed by how it's helped me with my productivity, with some of my own offers, with my clients, with, just the products and service that I promote. And it's just been really giving me exactly what I needed and what I've been looking for for such a long time. All right. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right. So what is Content Samurai? Content Samurai, in a nutshell, is a video creator tool that's internet based and produces professional looking videos fast and easy. All right. Content Samurai was created by Noble Samurai, which is a company based out in Australia, I think it's Australia. And looks like they've been around since about 2013, between 2013 and 14, and just an amazing company. Developers, they have a whole team of developers, and it's not just Content Samurai. It's not the only software that they develop, but they do software packages and stuff like that. All right, let's go ahead and talk about how Content Samurai can be beneficial for you as an entrepreneur, as a affiliate marketer, as a agency owner, a brand owner. So one of the features that Content Samurai boasts about is being able to take existing blog posts or scripts and turning those into videos very fast with just a few clicks of the mouse. Like I said, I'm recommending this product because something that I definitely stand behind. I actually use it daily for my blog sites, for my affiliate offers, and also for my clients. And needless to say, my clients love it. They love the videos that's being produced, how the videos look, how the videos work for their brands. All right. So I haven't had one complaint, and to my clients, I look like a genius. And like I said, who is Content Samurai good for? Small and large businesses, marketing agencies, affiliate marketers. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. There's nothing to download. You can actually use voice for the videos, or you can use the onboard voice for the video. So if you're a YouTuber who doesn't want to show his face or use his own voice and you still want to promote a product, this is the best software for you. The videos are actually high quality, they're professional, and the software is easy to use, and there's nothing to download. You just log into the site and you do your thing. So let's go over a couple more key points, okay? So I want to go over the trial period and how it works, because this is probably the only software that I've actually seen that will allow you to have a 7-day trial period with no watermarks, give you unlimited video creations, no credit card required, and you get to keep the videos. Okay, the current regular price for the software is either $47 a month, or you can get a substantial savings if you go for the year. For the year, it's only $397. Just in the 7 days, you will pay for the software. It's just that easy. But if you guys don't believe me, let's go ahead and look under the hood of this baby. I'm going to go ahead and grab one of my blog posts, and we're going to load that sucker up into Content Samurai, and I'm going to show you how it works. All right. Okay, so we're in my account already. I've already logged in. But here's the blog post. I'm not going to take the full blog post, but I'm just going to grab a little bit of the blog post and go ahead and load it up into the software. So basically, you just come and create a new video, let that load. Okay. Now, typically a lot of people, they will go directly into selecting a template. I don't suggest you guys do that. I suggest you guys go to script first. Key in your script first. Make sure it's formatted. All right. And what I mean formatted is just make sure the spelling is correct, the grammar is correct, and then make sure you have your punctuation in line, because it's a continuous voiceover. So what will happen is, like for these items right here, if there's no periods at the end, it'll just keep reading this on as one. So I wanted to pause on these sections, right? So I just come in And that's just the end of it right there. So I'm going to leave it there, but I come in and I format it the way I want it to look, right? And then I usually let it go ahead and create the scenes, or I'll go back and then select an actual template. But let's go ahead and do that real quick. I'm going to go ahead and create the scenes. Now, the way this works is it'll pick up on certain keywords, and it'll use certain keywords to either give you clips, which are small, small videos, or you can actually select images. I like to use clips because they look a lot better and they work so much more for what it is I'm trying to do. All right, you can reposition the information, like put that to over here. You can put it at the bottom. You can put it at the top. All these squares represents exactly where you can put it at. All right. So usually what I like to do is I like to have it moving around, keeps people going. But this one, okay, so we're starting here with skincare for the bride-to-be. So I want this to be impactful. So what I want to do is I want to go to bride, and I want to find items, clips for the bride, maybe something close up with a face like that. And that's how I break it down. I mean, you got more videos, like you can use something like this. Actually, I like this one better. All right. So then I come down and I want to look at everything and read everything, okay? Since you don't want to compromise anything down. Okay, so let's do something with wedding gown here. Then let's see if we got something with the wedding gown. Let's use this clip here and let that roll into the next one like that. And then we go to the next one. Jewelry while compromise looking. All right, we can leave that clip there and let that run. Have problem skin. Okay, so let's click on skin. See what we got for skin. Let's see. Let's go ahead and use this one. We can run with these images and kind of keep it formatted. So I mean uniform. So if we see anything else, always prepare yourself in advance with solutions from your kitchen. All right, we can change it up a little bit like that. And then go here. We have 22 scenes to create. All right, so for the length of this video, I don't want to go into it, but you see how easy it is to select the videos. And if I didn't want these videos, I can actually sit here and change it around. Okay, if I didn't want these clips, I can put in additional keywords or change up the keywords in terms of what's being formatted right now. So if I didn't want those, I could just totally do away with that and do my own thing. But for purposes of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and select a voice. Go ahead and get the video rolling first. You know what? I did that wrong. I'm sorry. I want to do auto voice. So now I need to select a voice. So for this one, I want a female voice. And then we're going to click on preview the video. And I want you guys to hear how it works, okay? No time. It created the video in no time. Okay, so here's my music selection over here. I can select music. I can upload my own music. But let's see. Okay, so by default, not by default, but this is probably what I used for the last video. So, but here's the video right here.
Skincare for the bride-to-be. Since you don't want to compromise on anything right down from your wedding favors to your wedding gown and jewelry, why compromise on looking less than perfect on the day itself? If you have problem skin, you can always prepare yourself in advance with solutions from your kitchen while also seeking the advice of a skin specialist. Typically, there are 4 types of skins, and they are: asterisk dry skin, asterisk normal skin, asterisk oily skin.
Okay, I left the asterisks in there so you guys can see how it would actually read out the asterisk. So there's certain characters that you want to get rid of in order for the flow of the video to go well, all right? But we can always edit that by going up to scripts and then removing those and then reprocessing the video. But you guys see the quality, you guys see how the voiceover sounds. I probably would go back in and redo the voice to try another voice. But let's break down the entire software, okay? So when you first come to the software itself, you can pick a plethora of themes to use for any one of your videos, okay? So this is videos, this is a theme. These are themes for videos from articles or blog posts, okay? Now, they also have sales videos too, and this is what I use a lot of for different type of products that I have for clients. Okay, so let's say I wanted to introduce a new product to the audience from a particular client. I would use this plus like a write-up about the actual product, a brief write-up about the product, and then an extensive write-up, and I would make another video on that. Okay, So I would have, so repurposing that content, I can have 2 videos. And Content Summarize allows me to do that so much faster than using like Premiere or, you know, a Final Cut or something like that. Like, it takes me hours to do a 5-minute video for a client. But with this, I can just drop all my images in, drop my script in, or I can allow the software to pick its own images, you know, or its own clips, and let it, you know, you guys saw it, and let it render things together and go ahead and produce the video for me. But you can also, it also have video themes for online courses, which would be amazing if you have a digital product that you're trying to sell. Okay. Now this was really good when I first got the software and I saw this, and I still haven't utilized it yet, but I definitely will be. But this is videos for social media. So these videos are small videos formatted for social media. Okay, you can, let's use this template. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Edit the script. Okay, let's remove these, and then we're gonna do this one real quick. All right, create scenes. So now we have a social media type video. You see how it's formatted. So this could go right on your Facebook, right on your Instagram, and it's already formatted for you. All right. So, but let's go back. You see how easy it is to edit the script, and then you can save the actual name of the video itself right here, and the software will always retain that. Okay. So let's edit the script and then create scenes, and then boom, as soon as you edit the script, it'll save it. Okay. Now let's say I don't like anything that's being shown here, or the particular client wants me to have particular images. This is where you upload your images or video. All right, this is the layout right here. Usually this drops down and gives you a different color. Oh no, it's under style. Here you go. So I don't know what the layout, I guess these are saved layouts. But I never use that. So, and I use this here. I changed this to meet the brand colors of the particular product or whatever the customer requests. All right. So it's media, layout, and styles, and that's under your scene selections. And then under voice, you can do music only. You can do auto voice, which is selecting the voice, or you can record your own tracks. Gotta let it allow the mic. I don't do this, but you can record directly from here, and then you can upload your voice track that you already created. All right. Then you preview. Once you preview it, it goes through and selects everything, puts everything together for you, and then you can actually download it. All right. Now, knowing that they use stock images and images all across the internet, and these are not images that you have any issues with. None of the videos will be anything that you have any issues with. But just for the purpose of, you know, the ethics behind it, they provide you with this acknowledgement. All right, and you want to copy this and put it inside a description of any of your videos, and that's really it, you guys. And like, I love the software. It works so good. I haven't had any issues with it as of yet. What I will tell you, since it's internet based, make sure you have a good a good internet connection. Make sure your computer is not bogged down with resource hog type software, and it works perfectly. It's very fast. You can do a video. I was able to do videos in between 5 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on if the blog post was already formatted or not. So what I usually do is I go through a process. I format the blog post first, and then I put it into the script section and make sure it works well. And then I select my keywords, and then I select my scenes, or my the videos or the actual images that I'm going to use for that video. All right, and then I come down and I select my voice, and then the music, and then I just preview it, download. If I like it, then I download it, and it's ready to go. So with that being said, let me go back to, you know, the 7-day trial. What I would suggest you guys do, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description. All right, take on the 7-day trial period. Use the software. Create as many videos as you can to get a good feel of the actual software, and then make your decision based on that. Okay, so if you actually purchase the software through my link, I'm going to be providing you guys with a nice little bonus. Okay, and this is the bonus I'm going to be giving you guys. It's going to be the free cheat sheet reveals how to generate massive traffic with videos. It's going to be a free download. All you have to do is click the link that I provided to you guys in the description. And once you do your purchase, this will automatically pop up for you guys to actually download, okay? And if it doesn't, just email me. My email is in my about us section of my YouTube channel, and I will actually send this over to you as soon as you send me the email, okay? Again, the software is called Content Samurai, and I would really suggest you guys take the free trial and see it in action for yourself, all right? I'm D with the Income Pub, and I'll see you guys on the next video. What are you waiting for? Just do it. Click the subscribe button. Jeez.